heck?
What happened, man?
Okay, welcome back. It's another day in the shop. We're working on this Caterpillar, the CB24 roller machine. The complaints, it's blowing white smoke while it's being used. I failed to start the video earlier when I started working on it, so it's got the 3 cylinders, got these 3 injector holes here, and I've already pulled those 3 injectors out. It wasn't too bad. It was just a set of fuel lines, return line here that slides over the injectors. So we sent those off. We're gonna get some replacements. Then I'll kind of keep you in the loop as we go back together, since I failed to start the video. But pretty easy access to this for the most part. So hopefully we'll get some injectors shortly, and we'll show you the process going back together.
Hey, just an update for you on our little cat project. Got a little street roller here, 3-cylinder cat motor. We ended up pulling the injectors out. It's over fuel and having a real smoking problem. It could be something in the pump, but we're going to start with injectors just because it's easiest and most likely the problem. When it's idling or going easy, it's fine. When you really give it a lot of fuel, it tends to overfuel. So we're hoping that one of these nozzles was dribbling a little bit. We ended up sending them off, getting them rebuilt, so they look brand new now. New nozzles in the end, all cleaned up. We're going to go ahead and put this back together and see if we solved our problem. Stay tuned for a test drive.
Alright, so we just got these injectors sat back in and torqued down. You see 1, 2, and 3. Return line back on top, and I'm just putting on the last finishing touches on these fuel lines. And then we'll fire it up and see if we made any progress with this. So,
this roller we've been working on, we put new injectors in and to solve a smoke problem. So we're hoping we took care of it. We got them back in now. We're going to go ahead and fire it up, and then providing we don't have any leaks or problems, we'll go ahead and try it out. It didn't really get smoke until it got warmed up, so we'll have to give a little bit of a run around to make sure that we got the problem solved. So here we go. Okay, first initial start looks good. No big leaks or anything, so we'll go ahead and move this outside and run it around the yard a little bit. We'll pop the hood and check it every once in a while, make sure we haven't sprung a leak or anything, and get it warmed up, make sure we solve this problem. We'll go ahead and move it out of the shop.
okay, we just finished up the roller. We're going to test it out with a few items just for fun. Crush an old iPhone and see what happens. good.
No, good job.
Yeah, shattered it.
What else are we gonna run over? Well, the roller works. I don't know if it'll flatten out a road, but it flattened out the phone.
Nice.
Hey, go get Zane's lunch out of the fridge. We'll run over that.
His lunchbox?
His lunchbox, yeah.
Hey Zane, you hungry?
You hungry?
You hungry?
What the heck? What happened, Zane?
I don't know.
What was in your lunchbox?
Just a sandwich, an apple, and a Mountain Dew.
Open it up. It's probably still edible. I see an apple.
Yeah.
What kind of sandwich did you make?
Oh, just a peanut butter and jelly one. I don't think that's very edible anymore.
You should eat it.
I'm good.
Get the rest of it out.
Get the rest of it
There
out?
might be some Mountain Dew left.
Oh, that's a flat can.
Let's see your apple.
My apple? I don't think the apple's no more.
I don't think there's much apple left.
And you're gonna have to have your mom make you a new lunch.
Yeah.
All right, I think the roller's fixed.